welcome back to my YouTube channel Short Fitties by Priya. I look very confident, right? Of course, it's been 2 months here, so I got used to my camera now. So yes, this is gonna be my last vlog of Coastal Karnataka series, that is Udupi. I'm gonna end here. So, and who have accidentally landed up to this video, it's my kind request, go back and watch my previous videos and also my upcoming videos, so that you can decide very well, do you need to press the bell icon? Yes, and support me. So with this, I don't want to waste your time because your time is very precious for me. So kindly watch this vlog till the end because I have an update to give at the end of the vlog. Even if you don't watch, skip it, go back, watch the update and then come back and again watch the video, please. Please, 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 please. We are at Udupi today and we're gonna explore Udupi this one day. I'll tell you what all places we are gonna explore, but definitely we are gonna start with Krishna temple first, which is one of the famous temple here. So we're waiting for a cab now. After finishing the darshan at Krishna temple, अभी हम लोग हैं Heraur suspension bridge, hanging bridge पे. We can see at the back, but I was happy like कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे. But अभी क्या करूँ यार, bad luck. It's closed. So most of the things are closed. I don't know. Or there is one more hanging bridge. So we'll see कि शायद वो तो मिले देखने को. बट आई एम हैप्पी. आई विश खोल देते यार ताला, क्या करें. बट दिस इज़ वेरी लेस एक्सप्लोर्ड प्लेस. ट्राई करना, इट्स वेरी नाइस एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ लोकलाइट्स हियर, तो यू कैन जस्ट कम एंड गो देयर. सो आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग अ फोटो देयर यार, बट क्या करें. ठीक can see this is Kemanu Bridge and it's like 8.6 kilometers from Heraur Bridge, where we did not get a chance to go. And here we are at Kemanu Bridge. And what is the beach name here? Hodu Bridge.
Delta Beach.
Hodu Delta Beach.
हाँ.
It's nearby. So this is what it is. So now I am at Hude Beach. So the speciality of this beach or this place is right now, at the back you can see there is ocean, okay, one side, and one side of the road you have a backwater. So if there's a drone shot, then it would look really beautiful. Right now this is what I can show, but very peaceful and there's very less crowd here, so you can just come, sit here peacefully, enjoy it and go back. But yes, these are few of the, what I can say, unexplored places, but this viewpoint is very beautiful. So let me try taking a shot so that I can include it in the video. I'll try my best. but I'm not sure will I be able to justify it. So I'll try my best.
Hey guys,
Hi guys.
how's the food?
Nice.
Amazing. And if you come to Udupi, definitely you must try fish, right?
Yes.
So without,
sure.
yeah, like if you come to especially coastal Karnataka, you should try fish and then only you should go back. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Look at the
Yeah.
food on the
And this is bangde.
bangde.
I forgot the name of this fish.
Anjal.
Anjal, yeah, right.
Bangde. Bro, what you bought? Bangde?
Bangde and this one.
Okay. And how's your meals?
Nice.
Actually, he doesn't like fish.
Fish. You
I
don't
doesn't
like.
like, but today I'm liking it.
It's a start of the
Yeah.
journey.
Yes.
Okay, I'll show you the place where magic happens.
हाँ, धूप आ गई तो मेरे सर पे टोपी भी आ गई भाई। रोज का कॉमन पैटर्न बन गया नाउअडेज। क्या करें? तो करेंटली आई एम एट सेंट मेरीज। अभी तक मैं आइलैंड गई नहीं हूँ। आई हैवंट रीच्ड देयर, सो आई जस्ट थॉट कि आई गो टू आइलैंड एंड वी थॉट वी नीड टू बुक द स्लॉट फॉर दिस। बट वेट, आई विल शो यू नाउ कितने लोग आइलैंड जाना चाहते हैं। आई जस्ट शो यू दैट। हे भगवान, कैन यू सी मेरे पीछे कितनी लंबी लाइन है जो लोग आइलैंड जाना चाहते हैं। एंड आई एम लाइक, भाई इतने सारे लोग आइलैंड जाएंगे तो मैं क्या करूँगी वहाँ जाके? आइलैंड तो आइलैंड रहेगा नहीं। एंड वेट, आई शो यू वन मोर थिंग। अभी एक शिप आ रहा है। हाँ, इतनी सारी जनता उतर रही है, अभी इतने लोग चढ़ने वाले हैं, मैं क्या करूँ? हाँ, तो फिलहाल में व्हाट आई विल डू इज हम सी वॉक चलते हैं। दैट्स द बेस्ट आइडिया। Yes, so after driving through the beautiful stretch of like around 13 kilometers from Udupi, that is towards the south of Udupi, we have reached our final destination of the day today, that is Kapu Beach. Now, Kapu Beach is specially known for one thing. Of course, beach is very common, but it's known for its lighthouse. So this was the thing why I came here. I thought I'll catch the sunset at this beach from the lighthouse. Actually, the opening time of the lighthouse is like 4:30, and it's already 4:45 now. But it's not yet open. So I don't know. This is something I've experienced now. A lot of things are closed. They're not accessible. So I don't know, but maybe I'll wait for some more time, or else I'll catch the sunset sitting at the stone right now from here. Yeah, so this is it. So let's see. Hope I'll catch a beautiful sunset today. So finally bidding bye to Udupi and boarding the bus to Bangalore now. It's 8:30 p.m. and I think hopefully I'll be reaching by 6 o'clock on time. So by this, finally had a great vacation and my last trip of 2020, which is good. Maybe I'll share the experience later. But yes, hoping for more trips in 2021. So I think I should wish luck myself. So with this, I'm ending my vlog for today and signing off for now. So hope you love this series, or like especially December series, and please show some love. Thank you. 9-10 ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಹಿಂದಿಂದ ಐತಿ. Oh my god. ಚಲ್ ಕೊಯ್ನಿ.
ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬೆಳಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಭಾಳ
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಶಿಟ್ ಚಾಲೂ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಕಾಣಂಗೆ ಏನೋ ನಾವು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಒಳಗೇನೋ ಡಿಸ್ಕೋ. So how was it? Hope you enjoyed watching it. So the next series of vlogs which I am gonna come with is from my first 2021 solo trip from Rajasthan. So kindly stay tuned. There's no particular date I'm gonna announce for this because I want to be as creative as possible. I don't want to be the same. I don't want to give you the same monotonous vlogs which I have been doing for this 6 videos. But yes, I want to be more creative. So maybe I'll take a week extra or 2. But yes, I don't want to be too late. But kindly stay tuned for that. And thank you for watching. And do subscribe. Do subscribe, please.